Today we are learning vocabulary and other helpful terms about American money. Watch until the end for a quiz as well as some math practice. We call paper money bills and circular metal money coins. The bills are dollars and the coins are cents. When we write about money, we use a dollar sign and we use a cent sign. To write a total of money, I use a dollar sign, then I put the amount of dollars, I put a decimal point, and then I put the cents. Here we would say $2.25 or $2.25. If I don't have any dollars but only cents, I can write it two ways. I can have a zero after the dollar sign and the cents after the decimal point, or I can use the cent sign. Here shows 67 cents. Now we will learn the names for the different bills and coins that we use in the United States. $1. The $1 bill has George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States. You will see the number 1 in all four corners, as well as the word 1 at the bottom. On the back, you will see the word 1 as well as an eagle, our national bird. $5. Because I'm talking about more than $1, I need to add an S, so this is $5. It also has the number 5 in all four corners and the word 5 at the bottom. This bill has Abraham Lincoln on the front. He was the 16th president of the United States. $10. The $10 bill again has the number 10 in all four corners, as well as the word at the bottom. It has the face of Alexander Hamilton, a famous person in American history. $20. The $20 bill shows the face of Andrew Jackson, another American president. The United States also has bills for $50 and $100, but these are a little less common than the others. Quarter. The quarter is worth 25 cents. On it, you will see George Washington on one side and an eagle on the other side. If a quarter is worth 25 cents, how many quarters do you need to equal $1? Let's add them up. 25 plus 25 is 50, plus another 25 is 75 cents, plus another 25 equals 100 cents, or $1. So 4 quarters equals $1. Dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. The dime has President Franklin D. Roosevelt on one side and a torch on the other side. If a dime is worth 10 cents, how many dimes do you need to equal $1? Let's count by tens to find the answer. 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, 100 cents, or $1. So that means we need 10 dimes to equal $1. Nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. On the nickel, you will see Thomas Jefferson on one side and his home on the other side. Thomas Jefferson was the third president of the United States. If a nickel is worth 5 cents, how many do you need to equal $1? We can count by fives to find the answer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 cents, or $1. So that means we need 20 nickels to equal $1. Penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. On the penny, you'll see Abraham Lincoln on one side and the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. on the other side. If a penny is worth 1 cent, how many do you need to equal $1? So if 100 cents equals $1, that means that we need 100 pennies to equal $1. Which coin is the largest? The quarter is the largest. Which coin is the smallest? The dime is the smallest. Which coin's face is looking to the right? The face on the penny is looking to the right. Which coin is a different color than the others? The penny is a different color than the others. Now it's time for a quiz. Let's see how much you can remember. Question 1. What is this? A. Penny. B. Nickel. C. Dime. D. Quarter. The answer is B. Nickel. Question 2. Which coin is worth 25 cents? A. Penny. B. Nickel. C. Dime. Or D. Quarter. The answer is D. Quarter. Question 3. What is paper money called? A. Coins. B. Washingtons. C. Bills. Or D. Pennies. The answer is C. Bills. Question 4. How much is this worth? A. $1. B. $5. C. $10. Or D. $20. The answer is B. $5. Question 5. Who is on the $1 bill and the quarter? A. George Washington. B. Abraham Lincoln. C. Thomas Jefferson. Or D. Benjamin Franklin. The answer is A. George Washington. Question 6. What is this and how much is it? A. Dime, 5 cents. B. Dime, 10 cents. C. Nickel, 5 cents. D. Nickel, 10 cents. The answer is B, dime 10 cents. Question 7. What is this and how much is it? A, penny 1 cent. B, penny 5 cents. C, nickel 1 cent. Or D, nickel 5 cents. The answer is A, penny 1 cent. Question 8. Which dollar bill is worth more? A, $20 bill. B, $5 bill. C, $1 bill. Or D, $50 bill. The answer is D, $50 bill. Alright, now it is time to do some math. You might want to grab a pencil and paper to help you with this. I'll ask you a question and then show you the answer after a minute or so. How much do I have? The $1 bill is worth $1. If I add up all my coins together, I will get 41 cents. Put it all together and I have $1.41. How much do I have? If I add my $5 bill with my $1 bill, I have $6. Now if I add my coins together, I get 37 cents. So altogether I have $6.37. How much do I have? If I add my $20 bill with my two $1 bills, I have $22. If I add up all the coins I have together, I get 71 cents. So altogether, I have $22.71. Thanks for watching. Check out some of these other videos to keep learning more English.